Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher Ms. Razia Babadar with the lecture number 3 regarding metric class, and your chapter name is profession. In this chapter students, we are having two topics. First is teaching and the second is fishing. Now regard with the teaching, now we are generally discussing this topic. As you all know that teaching is a very noble profession. It is admired all over the world by everyone, and our holy prophet, peace be upon him, also preach us to lead our life according to the teaching of Islam. Islam also gave importance to this holy profession of teaching. It comes from Persian word means khandan in English. It means to read. In the end, I would like to say teaching is the master of all the professions. Our next topic is fishing. Let us discuss about this profession, fishing. About 3/4 of our earth is covered with water. Rivers and oceans are full of fishes. Fishermen of Pakistan engage in two kinds of fishing: inland or freshwater, and sea or marine fishing. Marine fishing is done in the Arabian Sea along the coast. Weather stations had been set up to show the warning of storms. Government is now taking keen interest in modernizing the fish industry. Now the most important topic of this chapter is qualities of a good teacher. What are the qualities of a good teacher according to this chapter, or we can say how many qualities should be there in a teacher to fulfill or the needs of the students. One who fulfill God's command expressed in the first word of the revelation, Wahi. A good teacher strives to be more and more worthy of it. He or she remain student forever. It means a teacher will remain student, eager to learn many things from new researches, or we can say from new technologies. A good teacher is thirst of knowledge. He or she always eager to learn what may be the benefit of this. We can do this course like that, and we can promote our student. We can do the benefits for the students, or introduce the modern way of, or we can say techniques of teaching to help out the student, or to enhance the student's skill. How we can enhance the personality of our students. They are humble enough to learn from any and everyone. As they are simple, polite, so they are humble enough to learn from any and everyone. These are the qualities which the teacher should have in his or her profession. Now come to the profession, fishing profession. Importance. What are the importance of this profession according to this chapter? As you all know, it is an important source of our food. Millions of people are engaged in this profession. It is not a hobby, but it's flourishing trade. Freshwater fishing are done with river, lakes and canals. Fishes caught from freshwater are small, but as they are very small, so they are tasty. Several byproducts are obtained from fishes, for example, glue, manure and liver oil. Now students, in this chapter we have learned two profession. One is teaching and one is fishing. So the most important topic regarding this lecture is what are the qualities of a good teacher, and about fishing is what are the mm, importance of fishing, or how many types of fishing are done in Pakistan. So student, go through this lecture, and I'll explain you as well from the book in my next lecture. Okay, stay blessed and stay healthy. Go through the lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.